Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Daniel Haleson. Today, I want to share with you a simple morning routine that can truly transform your heart and brain health. If you're over 50, or if you simply want to take better care of your heart and mind, stick with me for a few minutes. We all know that oatmeal is one of the best foods to start your day. It's rich in beta glucan, a type of soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol and helps your body eliminate it. Eating oatmeal daily can lower LDL cholesterol, improve blood pressure, and even reduce your risk of heart attack. But here's the thing, oatmeal alone is just a foundation. It's not strong enough to repair aging blood vessels or remove years of plaque buildup in your arteries. That's why I want to introduce a few natural helpers that can turn a simple bowl of oatmeal into a heart-healing breakfast. Let's start with cinnamon. Just a teaspoon each morning can improve your insulin sensitivity, reduce sudden spikes in blood sugar, and lower inflammation, the main culprit behind stiffening arteries over time. Adding cinnamon to your oatmeal not only gives it a warm, comforting flavor, but also acts as a protective shield for your arteries. Next, we have chia seeds, a tiny but incredibly powerful ingredient. When soaked overnight, they form a gel that slows digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar. More importantly, chia seeds are rich in arginine, an amino acid that helps your body produce nitric oxide, keeping your arteries flexible. And when your arteries are flexible, blood flows smoothly, your heart doesn't have to work so hard, and your blood pressure stays more stable. We can't forget flax seeds, an excellent source of omega-3s. Ground flax seeds contain ALA and lignans, compounds that help dissolve plaque and reduce LDL cholesterol. Research shows that just 30 grams of ground flaxseed daily for 3 months can reduce LDL by up to 15%. A simple tablespoon added to your oatmeal gives your diet a powerful weapon against arterial plaque. And then there's turmeric, famous for its anti-inflammatory compound curcumin. Inflammation is the silent fire that damages your arterial walls and attracts cholesterol like a magnet. By adding a pinch of turmeric and a dash of black pepper to your oatmeal, you help your body absorb curcumin better and protect the inner lining of your arteries, the layer that determines both flexibility and heart health. Another must-have ingredient is walnuts. They're rich in plant-based omega-3s, arginine, and polyphenols, compounds that reduce oxidative stress and keep arteries elastic. Studies show that eating just a handful of walnuts daily can lower LDL cholesterol by 16 points and improve arterial flexibility by up to 24%. Walnuts aren't just good for your heart, they support brain clarity and help maintain steady energy throughout the day. To boost antioxidants and natural sweetness, I always recommend adding fresh fruit to your oatmeal. Blueberries, strawberries, or apples are naturally sweet and packed with polyphenols that fight inflammation and protect your blood vessels. This combination creates a breakfast that is both delicious and incredibly healthy. But here's the thing, nutrition alone isn't enough. Another important habit I encourage everyone to adopt is light morning exercise. A brisk walk or a few gentle stretches gets your blood flowing, and when combined with this nutrient-packed oatmeal, the heart-protecting effects are multiplied. By sticking with this routine, not only will your arteries stay cleaner, your heart healthier, but your mind will stay sharp and your energy consistent all day long. This simple habit is perfect for anyone, especially those over 50, and it can truly transform your quality of life. So, starting today, make your breakfast a bowl of oatmeal packed with cinnamon, chia seeds, flax seeds, turmeric, walnuts, and a bit of fresh fruit. Pair it with a few minutes of light movement, and you're caring for your heart and brain in a simple but incredibly effective way. You'll see that without complicated medications, just this small morning routine can make a noticeable difference in your cardiovascular health and energy. Try it and feel the change for yourself.